compasses give me no signs. Were there clues I didn't see? And isn't it just so pretty to think all along there was some invisible string tying you to me?